Hey, how's it going, everyone? Bike Hippie here, down at the Comox Bike Company in Comox BC, and look what they have in the window. That's the Kona Honzo ESD. Let's go see if they'll let us take it for a rip. Why is my bike in the window?
See if we get any better office. Oh, the ESD.
Dude, there she is. Oh,
Got a gift for you, buddy.
what's this?
You still run VHS by any chance?
I do.
There you go.
I do have a VHS. Hey there, guy.
Cool. You're gonna love that.
What do we got here in the bike shop? Hi. Hi there. Hi there. Nice looking fella. Or girl. But not quite as nice looking as this Honzo. So you guys gonna let me take it for a ride around the block or what?
It's actually sold. No,
Oh.
yeah.
Sold. Oh, that's okay. Oh, it's so nice looking in person. Look at that paint. So nice. Let's see what's in this gift. What is that, Level Vibes? Oh, that's wicked. Look at that. Fuck yeah, GT Bicycles Hans Ray 2. Hans Ray Level Vibes.
That was supposed to be in
Take
there.
you from the serious jungles of Jamaica to the top of the snow-covered Mammoth Kamikaze and everywhere in between. Fucking hey, thanks guys. Thanks guys.
That was supposed to be in there too.
What's this?
Open it up.
Is that... Jesus, gifts to the bike shop. Doesn't get better than this. Are these Kona rolling papers?
Yep.
Kona rolling. Kona rolling paper. Oh, fuck. So they're gonna let us take it for a rip. Let's go. All right. Check it out. We made it outside. Let's go ride this. Wow, what can I say about this bike? I found the closest patch of dirt I could find with some downhill. And there's a bit of a lip up here that I did manage to catch a little bit of air off of. Let's go film it. That was fun. So anyway, let's go find a place to take a better look at this bike. All right, here we are with the Kona Honzo ESD. Found a nice quiet little corner. Out of the wind noise, hopefully. Let's take a better look at this bike. Got some race face effect bars. Got Diore XT shifter, mated with a SLX derailleur. That's a 1x12. We got a Maxxis Minion downhill rear 2, 29 by 2.4. And on the front, we've got a 29 by 2.5 Agassi. Let's see if we can find a size on this bike. This is a large frame. This bike is sweet. Got a bomber fork. Well, like all good things, this has to come to an end. Want to thank the guys at the Comox Bike Company for letting me take this bike for a rip today. And hope you guys all enjoyed riding with me. And have a nice day.